What if I told you that if you want to lose fat, one of the best things you can do is eat more protein? Now, I'm going to explain to you why. I'm going to get a little nerdy, but stick with me. So there's something called the thermic effect of food. This is essentially the amount of energy that your body expends, i.e. burns, in order to digest the food that you're eating. Now, the thermic effect of carbohydrates is very low in comparison to the thermic effect of protein. In fact, for carbohydrates, it's only about 5 to 10%, whereas for protein, it's anywhere from 20 to 30%. So what does this mean? It means that when you switch from focusing on carbohydrate intake to a higher protein intake, you're going to burn more calories. In fact, if you take 100 calories of carbohydrates and 100 calories of protein, you'll burn more calories eating the protein, okay? Of those 100 calories, you're going to burn about 20 to 30 calories from eating the protein. You're only going to burn about 5 to 10 calories from eating the 100 calories of carbohydrates. That doesn't mean carbohydrates are bad. Don't fucking get me wrong. You can still eat them, but we want to increase our protein intake. If you found this video helpful, comment below and give me a follow.